What's up? It's me. I know it's been a long time, but like I said, I'm doing things different. I'm going to do it my way, not YouTube way. My channel, my way. Today I have the thing that I've been waiting for a long time. I teased it on my community tab, and finally it's here. From Japan, son. Japan. It's right down there. Let's get to it. So this box was actually in Japan. I should frame this joint right here, put it on a wall or something. You guys know I'm a big Japan lover. I'm a Japan lover, you're a Japan lover. We're gonna love Japan. Ooh. Meaning, I would like to visit there one day and buy a lot of stuff. JDM. Okay, ooh, no right there. JDM stands right there. I'm gonna give you a little plug, homie. Oh, baby. Oh, my goodness. Oh, there they are. There they are. I mean, just look at it. Look, lightweight. Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh, yeah. I mean, just look at it. Oh. If you guessed it right, yes, you guessed it right. I bought the Halo JDM style full LED tail lights. This is from 2003 to 2005. Man, they look spectacular. Ever since I saw these on the G35 a long time ago, I wanted these tail lights. I mean, I just loved the look of it. It's not your average tail light. They're much thicker, as you can see. Like the actual Halo is way much thicker. And I think they look great. And the turn signal is actually yellow and it's inside the little bubble thingy. The reverse light is also LED. Now if you turn it around, we have the tail light and we have the assembly. It looks used, by the way. Marasoka, why you did that to me? Will I keep it red? No, I will not keep it red because the custom headlights that I did were clear and the inside were black. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tint the whole thing black, although the red matches with my build. So I'm on the fence still. Now let's install these puppies and let's see how it looks. Peace.